When solving using square roots, we want to make sure that there is no b value or a variable raised to an exponent of 1. So here, since we just have the y squared with a degree of 2, we can use solving by square roots. So the goal is to isolate the variable. So the first thing we'll need to do is the subtraction property of equality to leave us with negative 6y squared equals 108. Our next inverse operation will be to divide by the negative 6, which will leave us with y squared equals positive divided by negative is negative, and that'll be negative 18. Next, to undo squaring something, we'll use a radical and take the square root. So we will get y equals positive and negative square root of negative 18. Now recall, it is not possible to take the square root of a negative because no negative times itself can equal a negative. So this indicates that there are two imaginary or complex solutions.